जाती है। तो ह्यूमन आई इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वैल्यूबल एंड सेंसिटिव सेंस ऑर्गन in the human body which enable us to see the wonderful world around us. So that is the importance of human eye. Okay, now we are going to study the structure of human eye. The first point is human eye is cornea. So what is the cornea? It is the transparent spherical membrane covering front part of the eye. It provides 67% of the eye focusing power. Okay, now we are move the next lens. It is the central part of the eye that facilitate the image formation. Next है iris. It is the dark muscular diaphragm between cornea and lens. It control the size of people. ओके बेटा, थोड़ा सा टाइपिंग मिस्टेक्स हुई है तो उसको आप देख लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट है आइरिस. इट इज़ द डार्क मस्कुलर diaphragm between the cornea and lens. It control the size of pupil. Pupils के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Pupil. It is the small hole between the iris through which light enter the eye. आई की स्पेलिंग गलत है, EYE होगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट है ciliary muscles. They hold the lens in position and help in modifying the curvature of lens. Means ciliary muscles is a flexible tissue. It hold the our eye lens in a proper position. Okay. Next, retina. It is the light sensitive surface of eye on which image is formed. It captures the light rays formed by the lens and send impulses to the brain via optical nerves. थोड़ा सा इसमें टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हुई है, वाया हुआ है, वाया नर्व्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ऑप्टिक नर्व्स. इट ट्रांसमिट द विजुअल इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम रेटिना टू ब्रेन. स्क्लेरा. इट इज़ द आउटर कोट विच प्रोटेक्ट द आई. ब्लाइंड स्पॉट. इट इज़ द पॉइंट एट विच द ऑप्टिक नर्व्स लीव द सेल. यहाँ पे लीव की स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स है, तो लीव द सेल मतलब अ पॉइंट ऑन द रेटिना विच द nerve optic cells are going to leave the retina. Means absence of optical cell here. The image is not visible in this point. That's why it is known as the blind spot. Aqueous humor. It is the present behind the cornea and maintain the interocular pressure. ये कहाँ पे होता है, या कह सकते हो दिस इज द फ्लूइड filled between the cornea and lens. It maintain the interocular pressure. Okay. Vitreous humor क्या है? The space between the eye lens and retina is filled with the another liquid is known as vitreous humor. Okay. यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं, वो आपको रिमेंबर रखना है. द एबिलिटी और प्रॉपर्टी द आई लेंस टू फोकस बोथ नियर एंड डिस्टेंट पॉइंट या डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट बाय एडजस्टिंग इट्स फोकस लेंथ इज नोन एज अकोमोडेशन. ये बहुत पूछा जाता है, व्हाट इज़ द पावर ऑफ अकोमोडेशन. तो एबिलिटी और प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आई लेंस टू फोकस बोथ नियर और distant object by adjusting its focus length is known as power of accommodation. The maximum variation in power of eye lens for the focusing near or far object clearly at retina is known as power of accommodation. ठीक है. The farthest point up to which the eye can see clearly is known as far point of eye. It is infinity for the normal eyes. फर्देस्ट पॉइंट क्या होता है, जहाँ तक हमारी आइज़ प्रॉपर तरीके से देख पाती हैं किसी चीज़ों को. ठीक. ये अडल्ट के लिए, जो नॉर्मल आइज़ के लिए इन्फिनिटी होता है. द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस एट विच एन ऑब्जेक्ट कैन सी मोस्ट डिस्टिंक्टली विदाउट एनी स्ट्रेन इज नोन एज द लीस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट विजन. LDDV. LDDV इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कहते हैं. ये नॉर्मल आइज़ के लिए 25 सेंटीमीटर होता है. ओके. अब हम लोग बात करते हैं डिफेक्ट ऑफ विज़न. द मेन डिफेक्ट ऑफ विजन्स आर मायोपिया. Due to this defect, a person can see nearby object clearly but cannot see distant object clearly. This can be corrected by using concave lens of the appropriate power. Hypermetropia. Due to this defect, a person can see distant object clearly but cannot see the nearby object clearly. This can be corrected by using convex lens with the appropriate power. Next defect is presbyopia. Is found in old age peoples, and in the defect one cannot read comfortably and clearly. This can be corrected by using bifocal lenses. ठीक है, bifocal lens means concave and convex lens are merged together form a particular lens. Okay. Prism. It is a transparent refracting medium with two triangular bases and three rectangular lateral surfaces inclined each other at a certain angle. तो ये जैसे आप प्रिज्म की इमेज देख पा रहे हैं, ठीक है बेटा. When a ray of light passes through the prism, it bends toward the thicker part of the prism. thicker part of prism की तरह bend हो जाती है. The angle which the emergent rays makes the incident rays is known as the angle of deviation. What is the emergent rays? The rays which is emitted from the prism, that is known as the emergent rays. The phenomena of splitting white light. The phenomena of splitting white light into its constituent color when it passes through the prism is known as the dispersal. In this figure you can clearly visible the monochromatic light is enter through the prism and it is split into its 7 components. That is known as the dispersal of light. Okay, the band of 7 colors so obtain waveguide. V stand for violet, I stand for indigo, V stand for blue and G for green, and Y stand for yellow and O stand for orange and R stand for red, is known as spectrum. Okay. The Isaac Newton was the first one to use the glass prism to obtain the spectrum of light. Okay, red light has the maximum wavelength and violet light has the minimum wavelength. Okay, तो which color of light is deviated most? तो आपका violet color and red color is minimum deviation. Okay, rainbow is caused by the dispersal of sunlight by the tiny water droplet present in the atmosphere. Rainbow is horizontal refraction of light due to the layer present in the atmosphere is known as the atmospheric refraction. Phenomena based on the atmospheric refraction. Twinkling of a star. The star seems higher than they actual are. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Reflection of light from an object in all direction is known as the scattering of light. Suppose that the reflected light are scattered in the different direction, then it will be reflective scattering light. Okay, the